Let's get ready for St. Patrick's Day. I was gifted some balloons. So you get 75 balloons in here. This is the St. Patrick's Day pack, I'm going to call it. These come in so many different colors. So be sure to check that out. I have them linked. There we go. So you get this dark green, the gold, more of a Kelly green. And what am I missing here? Here we go. These are the colors that you get. Super cute. So let's blow one up. Okay, very nice, easy to blow up. These are helium quality. So let's blow up some more of these latex balloons, put them around the house, and let's see if they create a party. Okay, let's blow up these 75 balloons. You get 5 different colors. So you get gold, this sort of chartreuse green, and then like a leafy green, a hunter greenish color, and then a Kelly green. They look so pretty and they are so festive. Again, these come in many different colors and many different options. They totally give a party vibe and we are loving it. Look how much fun these are. Even Peppa the dog is having a great time. So if you are ready to have a lot of fun this St. Patrick's Day and to just create a fun and festive atmosphere, then you definitely want these balloons. We're loving them. They are so much fun. Check them out and happy St. Patrick's Day.